Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Can everyone stand together? Okay, once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Now, class, before we start our lessons, class, let's have the first time energizer for you to energize and be active this So, do you want to energize, class?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, so all you have to do, class, is to follow the steps that's being presented on the video. So, are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, let's start class. Hey, everybody dance. Okay, so the first situation is washing your hands before eating. Is it yummy or is it yucky?
Yummy.
Anyone? And then raise your hand and another yes, Justin.
Yummy, teacher.
Okay, why do you think it is yummy?
Because my hands are clean before eating.
Alright, very good. Let's give 5 big claps for Justin. Because washing your hands class before eating can prevent germs or bacteria. Alright, so now class, let us move forward to the second rule. Your second situation class. So, eating food that fell on the floor. Is it yummy or yucky? Anyone? Yes, Mark? Alright, very good. Let's give 5 big claps to Mark. Okay, so Mark said all that. Eating food that fell on the floor is yucky because the floor is dirty, right?
Yes, teacher.
Now, so for our another rule. So the other rule, here is your solution. Okay, so third situation is using the same chopping board for raw meat and foods. Is it yummy or yucky? Everybody raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Maria? Okay, very good, Maria. Let's give 5 big claps to Maria. Using the same chopping board glass for meat, for raw meat and fruit is yucky glass. Because raw meat and fruits has germs that can see in our eyes, right?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, class, our last video. Our last video, class. Here is your situation. Situation is leaving your food outside the refrigerator overnight. Is it yummy or yucky? Yes, Justin.
Yummy, teacher.
Okay, why do you think it is yucky, Justin?
Because there are some mosquitoes and insects that will go to the food.
Yes, very good. Let's give 5 big claps to Jason Jack. Kinain ng ating sito, mosquito, na wala sa food. And also class, it's yucky because bacteria can grow in food live at a room without temperature. So now class, all of your answer class are correct. And for that, let us give ourselves a round of applause. So now class, everything that we talked about earlier is all about how important it is to make our food clean and safe. So class, for my first question, do you want your food clean and healthy clean?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Justin, why do you want your food to be clean and healthy clean?
Because I want my food, teacher, na dili mo sakit ang tiyan, teacher, o hindi.
Alright, very good. Let's give 5 big claps to Justin. So now, class, for my second question, did you experience having diarrhea or stomach ache?
Yes, teacher.
Also, that's so sad. No? So for my last question, class, do you want to avoid having diarrhea or stomach ache, class?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, so please, class, as we are going to talk about food safety principles. Everybody please read.
Food safety principles.
Is wrong?
Food safety principles.
Everybody read.
Food safety principles.
Now class, I want you all to listen carefully and attentively because at the end of the lesson, you will expect to achieve this objectives. Okay, so this row can you read?
Identify the 4 basic food safety principles.
This row can you read?
Demonstrate correct practices in handling food and
Everybody read.
value the importance of practicing food safety principles to maintain a healthy body.
Are my washing his or her hands with soap and clean water. For the second picture class, the person is washing the plate. And for the third person, for the third picture class, you can see that he also or she also clean the food before they cook the plates. Did you understand about this in class?
Yes, teacher.
So now, can you give me an example of clean? Alright, let's give a barangay clap to Josh. Okay, so Josh said that other example of food safety principles are separate and chill. Thank you so much for watching, Josh. Okay, so now class, do you have any questions or clarifications?
Non-teacher.
This was it's not. By the way, class, I have for my last question. So, why do you think it is important for us to follow food safety principles? Yes, Jocelyn?
It is important to follow food safety principle, teacher, in order for us to be safe and make a food healthy, teacher.
Oh, well, very good. Let's give a barangay clap to Jocelyn. Thank you so much for your presentation. How about you, Mark? Okay, very good. Let's give a barangay clap to Mark. In class, no? So all of you are in class are in class. In class, it is very important. It is very important class to follow these food safety principles. Class because it helps us to keep our food safe and healthy to eat. So when we handle food properly, class, we can prevent germs and bacteria from spreading. So by following this food safety principles, yes, our family will stay healthy and enjoy our meals without worrying about things. Did you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
And let us give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, class. So now, class, to test if you really understand our lesson this morning, let's hear this. Do you want to enroll in class?
Yes, teacher.
So all you have to do, class, is everybody read the directions and the values. Everybody read.
Directions. Perform the four basic food safety principles through role playing.
Okay, everybody read the values.
Mechanics. The class will be divided into four groups. Each group will choose one representative coming from to pick a random roll paper. Each group will take a piece of paper with writings on it, either the clean principle, the separate, the book, and the chain. This activity is good for 5 minutes only.
Now, how do we divide the group into groups? So, this row will be the one. This row will be the group 2, and this row will be the group 3, and this row will be the group 4. So, may I have a representative of group 1 to please come here in front and pick a roll paper. Okay, so now, may I have the representative of group 2, please come here in front and pick a roll paper. Okay, so for the representative of group 3, please come here in front and pick a roll paper. You? Okay, so for the representative of group 4, may I have you and pick your roll paper. Okay, class. You can start your before that class, let us read first the rules. Okay, class, everybody read the rules.
Appropriateness of the game, 20 points. Collaboration, 15 points. Total
Josh, Shen, Maria, and Mario. Before you answer the question, class, everybody read the directions first.
Directions. Read each situation carefully. Choose the letter of the best answer and choose the correct food safety practice.
Alright, class, and now you can start answering. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Master papers forward. Five, four, three, two, one. Ano ba yung mga paper na?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Excellent, class. Now, class, before we end our topic or our lesson this morning, class, I want you to get your assignment book and copy this book. Before that, class, let us read first the direction and the direction. Everybody read the directions.
Directions. On a short bond paper, create a colorful green posters to run titled Be a Food Safety Hero. The poster should show all food safety principles. Please separate food chain. Include short tips on soap or tips. Example, keep it clean and stay healthy.
Okay, so you will start writing your assignment. Okay, so what is that copy, class?
Yes, teacher.
That is all for today, class. Thank you so much for listening and goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, teacher.